Alright, this is the blizzard of 2010. I'm about to walk out our front door. You can tell it's still snowing. I shoveled ourselves a path a few hours earlier, but it's a little perspective on things. It's snowed so much you can see on the rooftops that, you know, it's covering some of the window sills on some of the people's roofs. It's blown off of some. This is so high. This is 3 feet right here all around us. I can make it down to the end of the of our street. You can tell the guy had a bobcat out. He ran out of gas. So he was able to do some stuff for us. It's a nice heavy thick snow. I'll give you another angle at our house. I mean, pretty much everywhere you look, I mean, it's just wall-to-wall snow. I don't know how this is going to come out on video. Hopefully you'll be able to see because it's still snowing pretty hard right now, and it's only like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So, yeah, we got some people out.
That's what I should do.
This is Mike.
This is what it's like to be in Buffalo.
And this is Dog Trouble.
Yes. And Chad, I just want to let you know that the dusting we're getting today,
Yeah.
we should be out of here by April.
Well, no, I thought you shoveled this stuff in Buffalo like every week. No big deal.
Well, it's not so much shoveling the driveway. It's more or less the fact that the ineptitude of the county and the fact that they don't seem to have anything other than shovels themselves to dig our streets out. So we're going to have barbecues every night outside. Stadium, cigars, bring them if you got them.
Okay.
And I want
like
you to make sure that you enjoy this weather and be safe.
I'm going to try to be.
That's all for now.
Public service announcements right there from Mike.
You're not going to take trouble with you.
No.
You guys going to clean that up a little bit for the girl, the woman? You got an 86-year-old lady you're going to get in there.
This is our
You'll
street.
be able to get in the back. And any trash you get, just bring her front. We'll put it in the garbage. All right? Chad, I don't know, buddy. Penn State all over again. They get stuff like this up there at State College. All right, Brandon, dog's with you.
Unbelievable. You can see kids trying to walk through it. It's just... Well, you saw a kid. And then you lost a kid. It's bitter cold out here. Absolutely bitter cold. You got people out with snow plows or snow blowers and stuff, so that's helping a little. But it's just deep, unbelievable deep snow. almost tough getting through it here even with the camera. Let's see, other perspectives. Like you can see my mailbox. My mailbox sits off like 5 feet off the ground. So there's a good mailbox perspective. A lot of snow. Now I shoveled this, like I said earlier. Doesn't even look like I did much. So we've got another like 3 or 4 inches. And I shoveled just a couple hours ago. Oh well. There's a roof line. Trees. My car, I shaved like some of the ice off of it earlier. Just off the one side. And that's it.